Alrighty, so we're going to start Unit 1, Lesson 3, which is an introduction to functions, and we're first going to start with relations and the multiple ways that you can represent relations. So any set of ordered pairs is called a relation. And so we can list them out as ordered pairs. We can represent them in a table. So we can create an X, Y chart. And we can write 0, 0, 1, 8, 2, 16, 3, 24, 4, 32. So we can make a table. We can also do what is called a mapping. So that's where we're going to take our X values, our domain values. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to put them in their own little oval. And then we're going to do 0, 8, 16, 24, 32 and put them in their own oval. And then we're going to map our coordinate points. So 0 goes to 0. 1 goes to 8, 2 to 16, 3 to 24, and 4 to 32. And so this is what we call a mapping. And so those are the different ways you can represent a relation. So our first example is just going to walk us through how to take a mapping and change it into a list of ordered pairs or a set of ordered pairs. Now when we write a set of ordered pairs, we're going to do these little curly Q. It's been a while since I've drawn it, and they never look real pretty when I do them on the drawing pad, but then I'm going to write the ordered pair. So 0, comma 1, and then 1, comma 2, and then 2, comma 2, because it maps 2 to 2. Then our last one is 3 to 4, so 3, comma 4. And that's our list of ordered pairs. Sorry if we keep knocking things. So that's for our first example. And so then we come to our second example, and we're just going to do the same thing. 1 maps to -1. Then as you notice, it also has an arrow going to 1. So we're going to do 1, comma 1 as well. And then 4 maps to +2, but then it also maps to -2. 4, comma -2. And so here we took the mapping and we've changed it to a list of ordered pairs. So, so that's our lesson on representing multiple representations of relations. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to know when it's a function or not a function. So, see you there.